Hi students, we had a big blue button meeting today and I am just relaying some information on to clarify the difference between some of the projects based on some of the student feedback I got from you all. First of all, I just want to welcome you to the course this week. This is week 1 out of 7. Hopefully you looked at this recording. The recording does specify sort of workflow a little bit, but I want to clarify a few items. Number one, I hope you're all contributing to the Icebreaker Forum. I'm going to pop in there later and welcome each of you personally. Number two, I wanted to let you know that this is the grading breakdown of each piece that's required for the course. And number three, within here is each week, each unit, we have a big blue button. It tells you the exact time. Next Tuesday, the 31st, we will be um, joining in the big blue button at 3 o'clock. If you can't make it, that's okay. It's optional. Heather Marshall will join us next week to make sure that we're all sort of on track and understanding how the College Central Network building a profile works. And then each week we will come together through Unit 5 to kind of answer and clarify any questions. I can add more big blue buttons if we want to do through Unit 7. That's perfectly fine. The crit checks are basically 25 points each just to give me the status of your projects happening. So for example, this very first one shows that it's only a progress update for me. And this could be the form of a written overview, a visual screen capture. This can be a JPEG, a PDF, or current work. It could be a link. You can just send me your website link each week if that helps you. This first crit check, we're going to focus on the College Central Network. Your submission for that will be expected as well, no later than April 5th. So you have 2 weeks to work on two things, which is the portfolio selections that you choose for your website and the College Central Network profile building. Again, Heather Marshall will be talking you into how to do that next Tuesday during our Big Blue Button session. Okay, so to begin, focus on the College Central Network. If you want to put that off and focus on it after Heather talks to you, go ahead and start to collect the portfolio pieces, which is no less than 8 pieces, no more than 15. Start to just collect them. You have a couple weeks for that to do these two things through April 5th. Okay, April 5th, also I want a status. So you might just, your portfolio selections are due here for 25 points. You will then also tell me what those are within the crit check one. So you'll get points for that twice, basically. You would also use that time if you finished both of these things. Please use the time to begin your promo materials. The promo materials are logo, resume, business card, and bio. They are due April 19th. So that gives you quite a few weeks to work on those materials, and you want to take advantage of that sooner than later. So make sure that those are basically started, and the logo then goes on your resume and your business card. And your bio is basically a write-up, one of the About Me section of your website. Again, due April 19th, you'll show me the status of these things in your crit check and also in the crit check for April 12th. You'll tell me where you're at with some of those pieces that you should be working on. Okay, so the crit checks are basically status. You, again, here, I think if we open up 412, grading summary. Let's go back into 412. Basically says a crit check is only a progress update to your instructor. This can be in the form of a written overview, a visual screen capture, or JPEG PDF, or current work expected. Update your status of the following. So I want to hear about those portfolio selections, your logo, your resume, your business card, and your biography. On the 12th, I want to hear about that. Then we move on to the 19th. The 19th, I'd like to hear about what is on your plate for the 19th. And that is those same items: logo, resume, business card, bio. You should be completed with that. So you'll update me on that there also. They should at least show progress. The 26th. The 26th, you should be submitting an infographic design. Doesn't mean if you start earlier, I'd love to hear you share some of your designs earlier if you get started earlier. If not, it's not required until the crit check 4. It is due the 26th, and it's also due the 26th to the submission link. If at any time you want to submit these items earlier and get feedback, that's what these crit checks are for. So if you review some of the things that are due within this time frame of the 7-week course, go ahead and post any of the later items that are due in the earlier crit check sessions, and you will get direct feedback from me. And just mention, hey, I'd like real specific feedback so that I can help you. I do that anyway, but if you need something specific, let me know. All right, and so you will start out with building a College Central network, choosing your portfolio pieces, starting your logo, resume, business card, and biography, creating an infographic design, and starting the design of your digital portfolio website. You'll do a final video presentation, and that can be a screen presentation. It does not have to be a face-to-face video presentation. This is just walking me through your website on your screen. I will post a tutorial for that. Within this area, you'll have a course tutorial to show you how to do a screen share video. So hopefully that will be helpful. I hope this clarified some things that I didn't talk about in my earlier video up here for the course. So you will find this video located right around here so that you all have a chance to review it. These big blue buttons should show screen. I'm working on how to do that now. It's my first time working with Big Blue Button. So next week, Unit 2, Tuesday, the 31st of March at 3 p.m., we will be able to all meet together, whoever is available, and then you'll be able to review sort of what we might need to talk about, answer any questions. I should be able to screen share like I am in this video right now during that live meeting. So I hope you're all staying healthy and staying safe at home. I'm thinking of all of you. Wish we could be working one-on-one right now. Take care, and I'll talk to you soon.